Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're making Oreo mug cake. Not the mug cake we made last time. It's not chocolate, it's Oreo. So let's get into it. So first we take an oven safe mug and put 4 Oreos in the mug. And we're going to do the same to this one. Snap now and then it's going to come in. That was magic. That's why they call me the magic chef. 60 ml milk goes right in. And now we get us fork and start smashing. Oh, these got stuck. It's like I'm the blender and it's blending this. Now it looks like this. So I'm gonna add 2
tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 1 more tablespoon.
One more?
Yeah. Okay. Same repeat in this.
So my mom is gonna do that and I'm gonna mix this up.
Wait.
But I think we add all the ingredients at the same time.
Now we are going to add sugar.
1 tablespoon of sugar powder.
Same like in the other mug.
And now we're gonna add half tablespoon of baking powder. Let's just put some. And now another spoon for the other mug. And now we're gonna add cocoa powder. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And now another for the next one. It looks like soil, kind of. Done.
Now mix.
And now let's get the fork and mix. Mix until it gets with no cocoa powder and stuff, like when it gets all brown. Mix. Mix until it comes like this. So I'm doing the last one. So it has to be so smooth and soft. Then it will get soft when we eat it, and it will be easy to get it out. We're gonna put 1 Oreo in it and sink it to the bottom. So now we're gonna do the same process as we did to this one, and we're gonna just throw it in there and sink it until it gets covered. So guys, now we're gonna put the mugs in the oven, and now we're going to put it for 1 minute in the oven, and then let's try it out. So let's go and put it in the oven. Open the oven and put it in there. Have a plate under there so it doesn't get burned under. So let's close it up and now put it for 1 minute.
Look at, look at, look at. Okay.
So let it wait for 5 minutes over here, and then after 5 minutes it will be kind of cold, and then we can finally eat it. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below which is your favorite video. Bye! And also enjoy your Oreo mug cake.